Welcome back to Ask MotorZone. Have you ever imagined combining a luxury penthouse, a five-star hotel, and a massive semi-truck into one incredible machine? What if you could drive your entire dream home anywhere in the world without ever giving up comfort, luxury, or style? Today, we're taking a look at one of the most breathtaking, futuristic motorhome concepts you will ever see. This isn't just another RV. It's a rolling mansion designed for people who dream bigger than everyone else. From a stunning double-story layout to a rooftop infinity swimming pool, premium living spaces, and a futuristic driver cockpit, this concept completely redefines luxury travel. Trust me, you don't want to miss a single second because every part of this motorhome has something incredible to offer. As we walk around the exterior, the first thing you'll notice is its enormous size. The front features a modern semi-truck style cab that gives the vehicle an incredibly powerful road presence. The bold front fascia, sleek LED lighting, aerodynamic bodywork, and premium metallic green finish create a look that feels both luxurious and futuristic. Every curve has been designed to improve airflow while giving the motorhome an elegant, high-end appearance. Moving toward the sides, the massive panoramic glass windows immediately catch your attention. These floor-to-ceiling windows flood the interior with natural light while offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The glossy body panels reflect the environment beautifully, making the motorhome look even more premium, whether it's parked in nature or cruising down the highway. The long wheelbase and multiple heavy-duty axles provide stability while supporting this incredible double-story structure. Every wheel has been designed with premium alloy rims and high-performance tires capable of handling long-distance luxury travel. Hidden storage compartments are seamlessly integrated into the lower body, keeping the exterior clean while maximizing functionality. Now let's step inside and begin our tour from the ground floor. The moment you enter, you're welcomed into a modern luxury lounge that immediately feels like the living room of an upscale penthouse. A comfortable designer sofa sits perfectly in the center, creating a relaxing space for family and friends. Directly in front of the seating area is a large Ultra HD LED entertainment system that transforms the lounge into a private home theater. Soft ambient LED lighting highlights the ceiling and furniture, while premium wooden flooring adds warmth and elegance throughout the room. Large panoramic windows surround the lounge, allowing you to enjoy beautiful views no matter where the motorhome is parked. Whether you're overlooking mountains, forests, lakes, or beaches, every moment becomes part of the experience. This isn't simply a place to sit, it's a space where every journey becomes memorable. Just beside the lounge is the fully equipped luxury kitchen. Despite being inside a motorhome, this kitchen offers everything you would expect from a modern home. Premium marble countertops provide plenty of workspace for preparing meals. High-end cabinetry offers generous storage while remaining sleek and minimalistic. The built-in refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, oven, sink, and hidden storage solutions create a kitchen that is both beautiful and practical. Natural light pours through the large glass windows, making the kitchen feel bright and open throughout the day. Whether you're preparing breakfast before hitting the road or cooking dinner while parked beside a beautiful lake, this kitchen delivers the comfort and convenience of home. Continuing through the ground floor, we arrive at the private master bedroom. The atmosphere instantly becomes calm and relaxing. A luxurious king-size bed takes center stage, surrounded by elegant wood finishes and soft ambient lighting. Large panoramic windows allow you to wake up with incredible views every morning, whether you're camping in the mountains or relaxing beside the ocean. Storage has been carefully integrated in every corner, including spacious wardrobes and hidden compartments that keep the room organized without sacrificing style. Every detail has been designed to create a peaceful retreat after a long day of traveling. Next to the bedroom is the beautifully designed bathroom. Modern marble finishes give the space a luxurious, spa-like feel. A large walk-in glass shower, premium vanity with illuminated mirrors, stylish sink, elegant fixtures, and a modern toilet all work together to create an environment that feels nothing like a traditional RV bathroom. Every surface reflects quality craftsmanship while maximizing space in a smart and elegant way. Now it's time to move upstairs using the modern glass elevator, one of the most exciting features of this concept. Instead of climbing stairs, you simply step into the elegant elevator, and smoothly arrive on the upper floor, adding another level of luxury that very few motorhomes could ever offer. The upper floor welcomes you into another spacious lounge area designed for relaxation and entertainment. This lounge feels even more open thanks to the extensive glass walls surrounding the space. Comfortable designer sofas create the perfect environment for enjoying conversations, watching movies, reading books, or simply relaxing while taking in panoramic scenery. The open layout gives the upper level a true penthouse atmosphere unlike anything normally found inside a motorhome. Just beyond the lounge is the second luxury bedroom. This room continues the same premium design language with elegant furniture, modern lighting, and beautiful panoramic windows. Whether it's used for family members, guests, or close friends traveling together, everyone enjoys the same level of comfort and privacy. High-quality materials, sophisticated finishes, and spacious storage make this bedroom feel like a luxury hotel suite. The upper floor bathroom carries the same premium design found throughout the vehicle. Beautiful marble textures, elegant lighting, modern fixtures, and carefully planned storage create another relaxing environment. Everything has been designed to maintain luxury while making the best use of available space. And now we arrive at the feature that truly makes this concept unforgettable. Stepping outside onto the rooftop, you're greeted by a breathtaking infinity swimming pool stretching across the upper deck. Crystal clear water reflects the sky, while glass safety railings provide uninterrupted panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Whether you're parked beside a mountain range, overlooking a beach, or relaxing in the countryside, this rooftop pool transforms every destination into a private luxury resort. Surrounding the pool is a beautiful outdoor lounge area complete with comfortable seating where you can enjoy morning coffee, afternoon sunshine, or evening conversations under the stars. It's difficult to imagine a better place to unwind after a day of traveling. Now let's head back to the front and take a look at the driver cabin. The cockpit has been designed with the same attention to detail found throughout the rest of the motorhome. A large panoramic windshield provides excellent visibility while creating an open, airy feeling. The fully digital dashboard replaces traditional gauges with high-resolution displays that deliver all driving information in a clean, modern layout. The premium steering wheel includes integrated controls, allowing the driver to manage many vehicle functions without taking their hands off the wheel. Comfortable captain seats, premium materials, ambient lighting, and advanced technology create a driving environment that feels more like the cockpit of a futuristic luxury vehicle than a conventional motorhome. Every part of this concept has been created around one simple idea: bringing together luxury, innovation, comfort, and freedom in one extraordinary vehicle. From the spacious living areas to the elegant bedrooms, from the modern bathrooms to the incredible rooftop swimming pool, every detail has been imagined to create the ultimate travel experience. It's important to mention that this motorhome is our own original concept design. It is not built by any real company, and it is not currently available for sale. This is a creative vision of what the future of luxury motorhomes could look like if advanced engineering and premium design came together. We hope that one day manufacturers will build something this incredible because we truly believe the future of mobile living has endless possibilities. Now, we'd love to hear your thoughts. If a company actually built this futuristic luxury motorhome, would you buy it? And what kind of dream motorhome would you like us to design next? Would you prefer an off-road expedition motorhome, a triple-story luxury mansion on wheels, a futuristic Rolls-Royce motorhome, or maybe a supercar-inspired RV? Let us know in the comments because your ideas inspire our future concepts. If you enjoyed today's tour, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to AS MotorZone for more futuristic motorhomes, luxury RV concepts, dream vehicles, and incredible automotive content. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next amazing concept video.